Now, moving on to the question 2 of data science assignment. So, the question says, describe the concept of hypothesis space in machine learning. Explain the algorithm find S. Find the hypothesis by find S for the following instances in a training set. So, in this, we have been given a table in which the origin, manufacturer, color, decade, type, and class is given. Using the S find S algorithm, we need to find the hypothesis. So the hypothesis space and representation in machine learning is the hypothesis space refers to the collection of all possible hypotheses, that is function, that a learning algorithm can select from to solve a problem. This space defines the boundaries within which the model searches for the best hypothesis to fit the data. Then, first, the hypothesis space definition is in mathematical terms, it is denoted by H, where each element in H is a possible hypothesis. For example, in linear regression, the space includes all linear functions like y is equals to mx plus c. Then, second type of hypothesis spaces based on algorithm is linear models, decision trees, neural networks. So, in linear model, the hypothesis space contains linear equation that maps input features to output values. Then, in decision trees, the space includes different ways of splitting data to form a tree, with each tree structure representing a unique hypothesis. Then, in neural network, the space consists of various architectures. Example, different number of layers or nodes, with each configuration being a potential hypothesis. Then we will apply this finders to the data set. This is given below. So on applying, we will use the first step as initialize h, then h naught as 5555. Then the process two, then the step 2 is process positive from the example 1. So the example 1 is we will take H1 is equals to Japan Honda Blue in 1980 economy and positive. Then in step 3 process negative from example 2. So we have negative, so no changes will be there. So H2 is equals to H1. Then this step continues. So application to training data sets are from step 4 and 6. So applying find S. So in step 4, process positive example 3. So generalize manufacture. So we do not have this say we have Japan in both in at exam 1 and 3. Then Honda, we do not have Honda in the 3. Then we have blue, same. 1918, 1990 are different than economy and positive are same. Then we will take the example 4. So process negative example 4. So no changes will be there. So H4 is equals to H3. Then step 6, process positive example 5. So we will generalize. So color is different and decade is different. So in place of color and decade, we will put a question mark. So the matching points are Japan and economy and positive. Now, the final result become the most specific hypothesis consistent with all the positive instances is H is equals to Japan, question, then economy and positive. So the interpretation is a car is classified as positive if and only if it is of Japanese organized origin and is an economic type vehicle. So it was all about question 6. Question 2. So it is the end of question 2. Moving on to the question 3 in the next video. Thank you.